Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first steps. Make sure both devices have Nearby Share turned on in settings and that location permission is granted. Next, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or enable a phone hotspot. This replaces Bluetooth for direct transfer. Once done, open the file or photo you want to share and tap the share icon, then choose Nearby Share. This starts device discovery over Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth. You now establish the connection and handle the middle steps. On the sender, pick Nearby Share and select Visibility, all contacts or everyone so the receiver can see you. On the receiving device, accept the visibility prompt and remain on the Nearby Share screen. Staying active increases discovery reliability. If auto discovery fails, choose the QR code or manual code option to pair the devices securely. This swaps Bluetooth handshake for Wi-Fi direct transfer and speeds up the process. You finish the transfer and handle the last steps plus one troubleshooting tip. Tap the receiver's name on your device, confirm any prompts about the file and origin, then accept the incoming transfer on the other device. Progress appears in the notification shade. Once complete, verify the file in Downloads or Photos. If the transfer stalls, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, restart Nearby Share on both devices, or use the QR pairing method. That one reliable trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.